Good morning, guys. It's Saturday and I'm starting a new vlog. I get questions every once in a while from you guys saying like, hey, do you do anything for fun? Do you work 24/7? How many hours a week do you work? And yes, I do take time off. So I think I'm gonna do a weekend, a chill vlog where I don't really have a lot of work stuff going on. So honestly, I've just been laying in bed for the past 20-30 minutes just listening to music. And I do that a lot. That's one of my main ways of self-care, I guess you could say. So I've spent enough time doing that. Now it is time to get up and start the day. Alright, so I just got ready, made my bed, folded some laundry, and now I'm going to make some, I guess, brunch. It's like lunchtime right now, honestly, but I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm not really super hungry, so I'll probably end up just eating a late lunch. Yay, I love smoothies. Did you tell your brother happy birthday? So I just ate some lunch. I reheated some cottage and pizza. So freaking good. I feel a little gross now. So greasy, but it was really good. And I'm gonna try on a couple of things that I got earlier this week. Haven't been doing a ton of online ordering, but I did get a couple of tops in for YouTube videos, really. And I'm gonna try those on right now. All right, so here's top one. Love it with the pants, right? The cutest. I like it. It's a little hard to see because it's just all black. It's a little big. I got a medium. I'm kind of in between a medium and a small, and I kind of wish I would have got the small in this because as you can see, it's like very low cut. If you guys know, I'm like modest Molly, like I'm not risque at all, but I really like it. Just like a nice top for filming. I feel like I look like I'm in like some Jane Austen book or something, you know? I don't know. We'll see. I'll try styling it and see what it looks like on camera. What are you doing, Norris?
Shopping.
Shopping? I thought you were supposed to be talking to your bro.
Not yet. Just waiting on them to start the call and stuff.
Because it's your brother's birthday, right?
That's right. Happy birthday, loser.
I don't think he's watching this, but okay. Do you want to show the vlog your new microphone?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. It's pretty sexy.
Specifically made for streaming and podcasting.
So I kind of had a plan today or at some point this weekend to work on this little gallery wall that I talked about wanting to create on this kind of mini wall that I have. But it's like, you know, I had a couple things coming in early May, I got a couple things coming today, so I'm not really going to focus on that too much, but what I am going to do is just clean up my office. I mean, it's in a pretty good spot, as you guys can see, like much better than it was a few weeks ago. I guess I can show you guys what I have so far for the wall. So these were the things that were on my desk wall in my old apartment. I have my degree, my college degree. I have this little thing that my sister and maybe my mom, I think just my sister, I can't remember. She got me this. I have this piece of art that actually my old boss at my last corporate job got me, which I think is so sweet. There's like a really nice like meaning behind it. I won't get too deep into it, but Fox is a part of her name. And I saw Fox the day after my father died. So anyway, she got me this when I left my job and I just thought that was really sweet. And then I have some of this artwork from an old friend of mine, somebody I went to school with. These are like concert posters from my hometown. Here's another one. I don't know how I'm gonna organize it all. I bought a bunch of cute prints, so it's gonna be kind of hard to put everything together until I realize what I all have, and everything's different sizes. I did get a bunch of these little bulldog clips in like all different colors. So there's like brass color, silver, I guess this is brass, this is rose gold, and black. So that'll be fun. So our Our grocery store was out of like Clorox wipes like everybody's is, but we were able to find these. We actually needed mopping things, Swiffer refills. And as far as I can tell, these are basically Clorox wipes. They're just a little bit wetter. I cut these into 3s, so we have like a bunch of little wipes now. So I just use those to wipe off some little containers I got from Target. I use these in our master bathroom, but I got some for the office too, just to kind of, I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet. I'm probably gonna clear out this thing and organize it a little better, because like it is a mess in there. Yeah, perfect. All right, so I don't know what happened, but I just kind of started to not feel that great. So my ultimate like self-care mode is this crappy heating pad. It's like, really need a new one, but using this, turning on some eucalyptus oil and just popping on a YouTube video and laying in bed for a little bit. This thing is just amazing for any type of muscle ache, pain, cramp. If you're just feeling cold, if you're just like, it feels like a hug.
I feel I've gotten a lot of questions about my country that I left behind.
But if you guys saw in my What's in My Hospital Bag video, I showed this afterbirth band that I got from Target.
So I just ended up like resting, not napping, but just like laying in bed and watching YouTube videos and things like that for way longer than expected, which is fine. That's what this video is all about, right? So yeah, it's like 8 o'clock and I'm gonna do a late dinner and just watch some 90 Day Fiancé, which is like my #1 guilty pleasure. I love bad reality TV shows. They're a form of escapism for me, which I think is really important to have. I mean, the show has got me sucked in. If you are familiar with it, there's like a whole franchise. It's like the main show, and then there's like spin-off shows, and then there's like before the show, and it's really intense. So hashtag guilty pleasure for sure. But I'm making a veggie burger. I think that's all I'm gonna make. I don't think I'm gonna make a side or anything. These are my favorite veggie burgers, the Dr. Prager's ones.
Is that decision?
Yeah, because they're wearing
Doesn't make any sense. Well, it's kind of a big decision buying a couch.
Good morning. We're just making a little run for curbside pickup at Best Buy because we needed our Roku broke, and I need that for my 90 Day Fiancé watching in my bedroom oasis. No, but
No, true. Joking but serious.
But yeah, it's nice. If you didn't know, a lot of stores are doing like curbside pickup, and Best Buy, we just paid on the app, did everything online, and then he just threw it in our backseat. Literally threw it in our backseat, which was fine. But now we're gonna run to Panera and treat ourselves to some coffee because we've been drinking, homemade coffee for, I don't even remember the last time.
K-cup coffee.
Yeah, I don't even remember the last time we got like a nice coffee. Oh, actually you went out and got a latte earlier this week, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Happy Sunday! I am using my new Ava NYC, it's called a Blowout brush, I think. But I'm just kind of like testing this out, and then I'm gonna, do an actual blowout in a couple of days. Just wanna get a feel for how this works. Anywho, I woke up today in a really bad mood. I'm just gonna be honest, and I couldn't decide if I wanted to talk about this or not, because I feel like whenever I talk about issues like this, it's like, oh, you're complaining, oh, blah, 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 blah. But I actually just watched a video from a YouTuber that I watched. Her name's Tara Michelle, and she talked about something similar, just about how hateful YouTube has been since this quarantine. And, I guess it's just a thing going around. Let me back up. So I woke up this morning. This is one of the reasons why you should not check your phone in bed, is because the first thing that I really saw in my email was somebody commented on the Ancestry DNA video, which I talked about. I did a whole video about how that video went viral and, it gets hate and blah, blah, blah. So usually when I see people comment on that video, I actually don't even open the email. I don't even look at the comment. But for some reason today I did. It was a very racist comment. It just put me in a really bad mood. I think people are struggling, so they look to take out their negative energy on whatever is in front of them. And YouTube, because there's a screen in between us, it's like we're not real people. It's just really sad. Like, it really just makes me sad. And then when you throw in like a racist element, especially just with how the world is right now, it just is heartbreaking to me. You know, 99% of the comments on this channel I get are positive or at least neutral, but there are that 1%. And I just hope if you are one of those 1% who leaves comments like that to me, to other people, whatever, you consider some of the things that I'm saying. With that said though, you know, I also just got a really nice comment on that video, so I'll give them their 15 minutes that they actually deserve, and I try to focus on that, but it is hard. So wish I could give you guys actionable tips, but I would say be nice. And if you're somebody who deals with stuff like this, try not to focus on it. It's easier said than done, but try to focus on the good. I take screenshots all the time of like nice comments that I get, nice DMs that I get, nice emails I get, just to keep them for times like this when I need to like look and get a reminder of why I do this. But I still don't think people should be subject for abuse just because they want to make a video. So I think I'm just gonna make another veggie burger for lunch. I have one left. But before I do that, I am on my Blackberry. Yes, I have a Blackberry. I actually love this one. But I had a potential client reach out to me last week who has an app and it's not available on iOS yet. And so I want to just play around with their app, see how I like it, see if I feel like I could actually help them out with it. And then if so, I'm going to put together a proposal and some feedback for them. So just want to play around with the app today. So it's kind of working, but like not really, because I'm just going to be playing around with an app. Kind of failed at finishing up my little self-care weekend vlog. It's now Tuesday, and I thought I would wrap things up with a little hair transformation. So as you can see, my hair is very curly. It is a sign of the corona times because blow dry bars are closed. Normally I go and get my hair blown out once a week or once every other week, and I'm on my own. Last week I actually had Norris help me blow dry my hair. Hopefully I won't need his help this time because I got some additional products. Ava NYC is an amazing company that actually sent me a few products to use, including this amazing Deeptox exfoliating shampoo. It was so nice. My scalp is still like tingling in a good way. It has little salt crystals in it to help detox and exfoliate your scalp. So that was really nice. And then I also used this leave-on mask, this hair mask by them. I also bought some of these little clippies. These little guys. Oh, I also want to show you guys this stuff since we're talking self-care. This is like a an anti-stress scrub and soak for body and bath, and there's CBD in it, so it's very relaxing. There's eucalyptus in it as well, which is my favorite. I'm like obsessed with eucalyptus, and I love to use this stuff in the shower. You can also use it as a bath soak too though, so when you're having like a relaxing kind of shower, this is a really nice one to try out. So it actually kind of put me to sleep though. Like I feel like I want to go to bed instead of doing my hair, so I sort of regret using it right now. But yeah, it's a really awesome thing. So I'm gonna leave this down below as well as all of the Ava NYC products that were gifted to me. Let's do this. Let's do this hair. Alright, so hair is dry. As you can see though, it is very, very poofy. So now I need to go in and straighten it out. My hair is so lightweight feeling after using that like clarifying shampoo or the detox shampoo, whatever it's called. It feels super, super nice. Last time I did my hair, it felt so incredibly dirty still. Like it felt very weighted down still. I clearly did not get like a good wash in. And having a good wash is really the key to getting a good blowout. So let's see how this goes. So my hair is for the most part done. I got a little bit creative and it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it. So this thing is really cool because basically it gives you more volume. So the last time that I did my hair, when Nora's helped me, it looked really good, but it was really flat. It was just like straight flat. So what I did with this is it works best for me if I do a little bit of flat ironing and then I go through and use this brush, and it just kind of like made it a more voluminous look. So I got a little too creative because I was like, okay, well, let me try to curl my hair. And this side like doesn't look too bad, but this side I can't get the flick. I can't get the right movement on this side because it's my opposite hand. So it didn't really turn out very well, but I'm just going to go to bed. I'm just gonna sleep on it and see how it looks once the curls kind of drop in the morning. And then I'll either straighten them out or I will use like an actual curler and try to even them out of it. But anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little kind of chill vlog, more of like an old school vlog if anyone's been here for years. Nothing business related really, just hanging out. So yeah, be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you do like these vlogs or if you have anything hopefully nice to say. But I will see you guys very soon for another more typical video very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.